Hi everybody. Okay, so presentation introduction. So I'm really hoping you guys have some fun with this. I think it could be a lot of fun. We've been concentrating on communicating through written text this semester, so we're going to switch it up now. The presentations will be a chance for you to work with other students in the class to share ideas on a how to do something. So it's going to be informative, but also fun. Possible topics include how to write a kick-butt essay, how to use the library in person, how to make friends on campus, how to eat well on campus or in Muncie in general, how to find the best spots on campus to do whatever, how to join a campus club or organization, how to stop procrastinating, that could be a fun one, and how to avoid the freshman 15. You may choose one of these or come up with your own topic as long as it's appropriate for our class and in some way a how to format, right? So how many students per group? Our goal will be 4 per group, but there may be some flexibility depending on the class makeup. We've had some students who aren't involved anymore or things like that, so just depending. I will have a sign-up sheet where everybody can go in and sign up. I'll show that to you in just a minute. So format options. You can give a traditional presentation, a PowerPoint, Prezi, etc. Your group will need to ensure everyone has an equal speaking part in the presentation, so everybody needs to talk. Okay, so make sure that is done. Create a video. You will still have to get up in front of the class to introduce the video, but this might be less scary than a whole PowerPoint. Just make sure again that everyone will have to take an equal on video role. Everybody has a speaking part. Everybody must appear. Okay, it can't just be one person. Everybody has to be in the video. You could create a skit or an informal performance with everyone taking an equal role. Okay, so whatever you like. So timing. So if you do a PowerPoint or whatever software you use presentation, plan to speak for about 2.5 minutes per person. I want everything that you guys do between 8 and 10 minutes, okay? So a video, plan to have a video that's around 8 to 10 minutes. A skit, this could be a bit shorter than a PowerPoint, so around 8 to 10 minutes. I want everything to be around 8 to 10 minutes, so try to really land on 8 to 10 minutes. Do not go over 10 minutes, then we won't have time for everybody, okay? So try and keep it around 8 to 10 minutes. So the nitty-gritty. PowerPoint presentation. Include a title slide, each person's many individual slides, and a conclusion slide. Okay, so each person must do their own part. Someone must do a title and a conclusion. Work together as a group. Slides should be visually interesting with limited text. It's okay to have photos from Google for this. Many slides with limited text make for a more interesting presentation. Using note cards is fine, but please don't read word for word. Review the PowerPoint shown in class that explains my expectations. Okay. There was something else I wanted to say. Oh, if you use any photos or any kind of information, we are not going to do like a citation of any kind. I don't want you guys to have to stress about all that and MLA formatting and blah, blah, blah. Don't worry about it. Just use the photos. Use whatever content you want and don't worry about plagiarizing, okay? No big deal. This is more fun. We're not being so strict on it, okay? Video presentation. So this must be original by your group. In other words, you can't borrow all of the content from others. It's okay to have some material from news sites, etc., but not for all of the video. So no more than 30 seconds total. I want each person to talk in the video. That's what I want to see, not content from somebody else. I want to see the students, my students, okay? If you choose this option, I can't help you. But the writing program has a digital writing studio in RB116 with experts who can help. If you do a skit or an informal presentation, let your creativity shine. Okay, you can have a mini play, you could pretend to a newscast, a reality TV show, an infomercial, public service announcement, whatever you want to do. Have fun. You'll want to know your parts, although if you need some note cards, that's okay. And you can interact with your fellow peers, the students. Okay. Evaluation. You will be evaluating each other's presentations along with your instructor. Each team will be getting a ton of feedback, so this is a good thing. It'll be fun. We'll be looking for good teamwork and a creative presentation, as well as the actual usefulness of the information. So we do want to know how to not procrastinate. All right, so final notes. We're going to have 2 days for presentations right before the end of the semester. So if you are absent the day your group gives a presentation, you will receive a 0. So you have to be there. We'll have a couple of days of class time when we'll decide on groups and be able to work as groups. But successful groups will have to meet outside of class as well. Okay, so you guys are going to have to come together for this. So start your planning for this project soon. That's why I'm introducing it now, so you guys have plenty of time to talk about it and work out all the kinks, because you guys are going to have to work together. Everybody has to work in the group together to get these points, okay? Okay, I think that's it, guys. I don't have anything else for you today. Make sure that you're reading your readings. They're going to help you with your last 2 projects. Lots of multi-modality good advice for how to do that. Okay, so make sure you're reading those. They'll be very helpful. And of course, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I wanted to show you in module 5 for under presentations, there is a presentation group sign up sheet. Okay, so if you click on this, you are able to go in and you can see both classes. So make sure that you're doing your groups in the right class. So as you see, Monday, Wednesday, Friday is on the left, 9 to 9:50. We have places for 6 groups, but please try and keep it to 4 people. I'm hoping to keep it down to 3 groups, but I do have space for 6 just in case. If we end up with 6 groups, I don't know. It might take too much time. We might have to juggle it around a little, but I have that space. So let's see what happens when you guys sign up. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 12 to 12:50 is on the right. So you guys can form your groups. Okay, like I said, try and keep it down to just a few groups. I'm hoping for 3, but we'll see. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks, and you guys have a good day. If you have any questions or concerns, email me.